Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do curls with the Remington straightener Hydraluxe Pro. I showed you before how to straighten your hair using this straightener. Now I'm going to show you how to do the curls. So if before we use the same function, now we don't need to press this button, and we're just going to turn it on, and then you can set your temperature depending on your hair type. Now before we start, this straightener is now gone a little bit red from when I dye my hair. I'm not sure why it went on the straightener, why the color went on the straightener, maybe from the hair product I've been using. And I did try to clean, but it won't come off. So if you have any ideas, feel free to comment down below. Now I've already straightened my hair because my hair is not this straight naturally. It's really messy, so I always straighten my hair after doing a bath. And this is what I use on my hair. I use the argan oil spray, heat defense leave-in spray. I use this before I use this spray after drying my hair. Before drying my hair. I use this spray before drying my hair. I use this spray before I straighten my hair, and I always let it dry out. I don't know, because if it's a spray and your hair really gets wet. And one time I did try, to straighten my hair straight away, and I find out that some of my hair edges is at the tip of my hair here. It was like burnt out, so I don't want to do that again. I always let it dry. So please, if you use this, just let it dry. In my other video I did show you guys that I'm using this one, and somebody told me that it didn't work for their hair type. So what I'm suggesting, that if you want to use this one, then just spray a little bit on just a small bunch of your hair, and see if your hair is okay with it, then you can use it you can use it. Otherwise, you have these two options. This is the two I'm using for this heat protection, and I'm really happy with the two of them. If this doesn't work on your hair, then you can try other hair products, but please do try on a small bunch of hair, so that way you will see whether it's working for you or not. Because personally, I'm really happy with the two of them, and I always use it like that. I use this before I dry my hair after washing, and I use this before straightening my hair, and I use it after as well. After straightening my hair, I use it as well, because I find out that no, it's meant to use it before, but I find out if you use it after, if I use it after, then my hair will last for longer. So I would have this hair straightened like this until I next wash it. So this is my tips for you if you do want to follow me and use this. Now, other hair products I'm using, I use this after washing my hair, before drying my hair. And this is John Frieda Freeze is serum. You can find this in Boots, or I'm not sure, I think Superdrug also have this. And another heat spray, I haven't used it today, and I do use it sometime, but I'm not gonna use it now. But if you do want to use it, feel free. It's really nice. Just as now, I don't want to use any other sprays than heat protection on my hair. So this is L'Oreal Paris Alnet Satin Volume 3 Days. It's really nice. It makes your curls stay longer and looks really nice. Okay, now let's get started. I'm going to use this hair clippers. So if you can find this shape, I purchased them long time ago. I'm not sure whether it was on Amazon, but I will search them and link them down below if you want to buy this type of hair clippers. I have thick and long hair, and I find that this is the one that really holds my hair really nice. I used different ones, but the ones I use, it doesn't hold it. So I'm just going to fold my hair. So once again, I already have heat protection on my hair, because I always like to let it dry. Next, I'm going to just get a small bunch of hair like that. You can also grab thicker bunch of hair, you know, if you are in a rush. This is what I do. For example, in the morning before going to work, if I want to have curls, then that will take me just 10 minutes. I will grab thicker hair and do that. So roll it onto your straightener and hold it for a few seconds. Okay, so normally hold your curls until you wash your hair, which I don't want to have that now. I want to have more like a fresh look, and and I want also to brush it through. Another tip I'm going to give to you, if you want your curls to be more tight, then you can just, when you finish this curl, just roll it like this and use a bobby pin and just clip it. And then when you finish your hair, you can just undo your, take out your bobby pins, and then you will see the difference. But of course your hair is going to look shorter because your curls is going to be really tight, but you can brush them out for a better look. And with this course, if it doesn't look this way, or you're not satisfied, just do not worry. You just need to practice a little. The more you do, the better it's going to be. At first it wasn't this great, and if you see my curls, it's really but now I'm just so used to it. Imagine when I go to work, I do it in 10 minutes and it just, my hair will look so nice. So I couldn't do that before, but I can do it now because I've been, you know, practicing. I've been doing it so many times. This is how I like to roll it, because that way it looks a bit more curly. Also, for more tight curls, then you would go from higher. When you do your curls, you just go near the tip of my hair, near the edges of my hair. Because as I said, I just want a fresh look. You see, for me, it's just like so easy now to do these curls. I don't struggle anymore how I used to. So if you do struggle, just give time. Give yourself time and practice. That way you would succeed. So if I can turn around, then so that you can see. Okay, so you can see they're really fresh, and they are not tight. I use this on 170. I find that this works for my hair type, so you find the right temperature for you. Now this is the final look. So for light curls, then what I do, or brush curls, I'm just using this detangle. Just brush them through. So now, if you want to use more heavy curls, then do use this spray because it's really good and it's going to last longer. Your curls is going to last longer until you wash your hair. So what I would advise you, if you want this, then use after you've done every curl. So after you curl one batch of hair, then just go for the spray. At this point, I'm not going to use any hairspray because I want light curls. I want my hair to be light. I don't want my hair to be heavy. I always use that hairspray, but this time I just don't feel like going for it. So this is our final look. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you find this tutorial really helpful. And as I said, take your time to practice. If you're doing this for the first time, that is not gonna look perfect. Well, the more you practice, the better it will be. Thanks for watching. Okay, now let me show you so you can see the final look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.